Hi everybody, I'm back for day 7 of Unit 5. In day 6's lesson, you guys had fun filling different containers with whatever you guys had at home. And today we're going to keep looking at our study of capacity. So I have my peppercorns from lesson 6, and I have a question for you. Do you think this water bottle has more or less capacity than this glass? So I want you to think about it for a minute. Tell somebody at home. All right, now that you've made your guess, let's see. I'm going to use something called a funnel. You may have seen this before, just so I don't make a mess because this is a small opening. So it might take me a minute. What do you think? Well, are you going to adjust your prediction? You still have the same prediction? Let's see. Aha! So what happened? Did this have the same capacity as this? Did this have more or less capacity than this glass? Tell somebody at home. If you said that this has a greater capacity, you were right. This can hold more than this glass. So this water bottle has a greater capacity, and this glass has a smaller capacity. All right, so that's that. So just knowing that there's different size containers have different capacities, and capacity is the amount that something can hold. All right, so at home you're going to have something in your whole group explore, and you're going to have different sized bowls that you're going to put. You're going to measure out a certain amount of rice or beans or water, whatever you decide to use at home. And then you're going to, if you can't print, it's fine. You can use your, many of you started a math journal already in some kind of a notebook, or if you just had a plain piece of paper. So if you can't print, what you're going to do is you're going to have 4 different size containers, or 3, however many you choose to do. And you can just say container 1, container 2, and container 3. And what you'll do is you'll draw a picture of it. So if this was container 1, here I would have drawn a glass and I would have made it full with peppercorns. And then if this was container 2, I would have drawn a picture of the bottle, and I would have shown that it was only full up to here, and I would have shown that it wasn't full. And then whatever my third, let's say this was my third one, right? Well, probably wouldn't make sense to use this one, would it? Because it wouldn't all fit in there. So my point is that you don't have to print if you can't. And then for your worksheet, again, if you can't print, it's a very simple thing. If you just look at it on your computer, you could just draw a picture. So it's saying order these containers smallest to largest, and it shows a picture of a milk jug, a spoon, a small milk carton, and a trash can. So all you'd have to do is draw on your paper 4 boxes, and you can put in order your smallest to your largest. So it's pretty obvious that the spoon has the least amount of capacity, so you'd start with the spoon, and then you'd draw a picture of what you think comes next, either the small milk carton or the milk jug or the trash can, and you'd do that. Then at the bottom you have your number partners, which you did before, but that again is a very simple thing to draw in your journal. All right, and then you can fill in the right answer for each of them. All right, so that wraps up day 7 for capacity. Again, have a good time doing it. Have fun. If you make a little mess, it's okay.